Namaste everyone. First of all, when I come to this area, I feel very proud. Why? Because I have completed my PUC and degree in this area, Vivekananda PUC and degree. So regarding today's program, first of all, I would like to appreciate the entire team of the host school, Vivekananda Central School. Regarding today's competition, from morning, the overall arrangement, time management, the coordination, everything was wonderful and really made me the whole day a memorable one. So once again, thank you to the management, principal, all the staff members and the volunteers for your need. You have provided all the facilities. Thank you once again. Forgot to introduce. I am Gauri BV from Ambika Vidyalaya, Bappalige.
Thank you everyone. Now we take this opportunity to felicitate the General Proficiency Award, which could not be presented on the annual day. The award goes to 𝐀𝐲 of Class 6, Vivekananda Central School. I kindly request Sri Narayana Iyer, President of Science Society of India, to present the award. Thank you, sir. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kurraja MP, to kindly address the gathering and enlighten us with his inspiring words.
Jai Shri Ram to everyone who have gathered here. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, teachers and dear students. I am highly privileged and honored to stand in front of you to witness this valedictory function where you have put a lot of hard work, you have spent a lot of time in creating these models, and you have presented today morning. And we are on the valedictory function of this 𝐼𝐴𝐵 2025, the first day of 𝐼𝐴𝐵 2025. I feel this platform is now to congratulate everyone. Before the prizes are distributed, I would like to congratulate in advance all the winners who have got various awards or prizes. Congratulations in advance to all those young brains. Congratulations to their parents, because the dream of a child is made come real with the 24-hour support of the parents. So congratulations to the parents who are behind their children for supporting them and giving that encouragement. Mentor is very important. Congratulations to the mentors of those students who are really worked very hard, picked up the positiveness of the student and mentored them, and which made you to present your model today. It is because of the efforts of your mentor or guru. Congratulations to the organizers, host, CBSE school, Vivekananda CBSE school, HM and the entire team who have worked for many days or I don't know, many months or a year to make this happen. So congratulations to all the team members of the CBSE school. Congratulations to the management of the Vivekananda CBSE school for dreaming this event and making this to happen. So totally it is the time to congratulate each and everyone who have gathered here. Just now I was discussing with the Narayana Iyer sir. The major difference is when you think of a project, model or a research, whatever it is, something related to creativeness, something related to innovation, The major difference between you children and we so-called qualified people is a big difference. The big difference what I felt was, whenever a research problem is in front of us, we think more negative, whether it is feasible, whether it is possible, that problem, this problem. So many negative things come into our mind. But you students, you are fresh, you are innocent, you never think whether it is feasible or not. You just jump into that project. What happens is, because of this, is you come out with very innovative projects. And many a times when you plan a project, when you plan a research work, we have to think out of the box. Just following a traditional method will not solve the issue. We will have to think out of the box. Thinking out of the box is the requirement of the day. So I feel all these young researchers, young innovators, the future generation of our country, you have thought out of the box and you have designed various projects which I could realize by discussing with some of the people today morning. So once again, congratulations. And as I told you, this is the platform to celebrate the hard work, the innovation and the creativity of you all who have gathered here. Congratulations, dear students, dear children. Many, many congratulations. We don't know, many of you from this group tomorrow can become a big scientist of the country. You will be a very big scientist of our country and you may take our country forward. We don't know. So wish you all the best. May God bless you. Carry on this spirit. Whenever you work, whenever you study, whenever you read, think deep, have a rational, have a reasoning mindset, make all the observations accurately, may it be required or not required, all the observations need to be documented and recorded. Make this habit in every part of your life and it will surely yield you with good results. May God bless you. Thank you for inviting me here and grace this occasion, and I am very much thankful to the management of the CBSE school. Thank you very much, students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating and valuable message. May I now invite our Honorable President, Shri Ajay Padiwal, to deliver his presidential address.
Hello, good afternoon. Can you all hear me? I think ನೀವು ಮಲಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Can you all hear me? Very good. Thank you. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ speech should not be like a lali hadu to put you to sleep. Anyways, good afternoon all the bright minds, the curious hearts and possibly Nobel Prize winners who may be sitting with us here. You can't underestimate. Who knows? Every single one may be from Puttur. Let's hope. I have no connection with the field of science. Actually, I was just talking to Guru Sir, and Guru Sir has taught my wife in the pharmacology course. So my sense of science is only understanding my chemistry with my wife. Big one. Nothing else. I only know my chemistry with my wife, nothing else. So pardon me if I cannot talk more about science. Okay? But I am here, so I have to talk now. So when Bharat called me and told that you will have to come for this function and you will have to talk, the small part of me thought, very good chance, you will be like Abdul Kalam, you talk. But then I realized I am nobody. And today is not about me, it is about all of you. Anyways, I am proud to be here because all of you have decided to do something which probably we didn't do in our generation or probably in our school. You have the chance to ask the question, why? But I will also encourage you to ask the question, why not? So that you can start thinking critically and rationally. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸಹ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್. You should chase progress, not perfection. This is one thing you need to remember. So this whole INSEF thing that we have here is not a competition. It is a celebration of all our ideas coming together. Start thinking in a critical way. Start thinking in a different way. Why can't we make an umbrella that doesn't flip inside out? Why can't we make a mobile phone or any electronic device that charges itself using sunlight? And I'm going to say one controversial thing. Why can't we have our homework be corrected by AI? So that our teachers can spend more time teaching. So that our teachers can spend more time inspiring us instead of correcting homework. Correct, Allah? What do you say? One of you can figure out a solution for this. So INSEF is basically, the way I see it, I just spoke for a couple of minutes here with Narayan sir. I think it is a launch pad for where all your ideas, your imaginations will take off. And it should land as an invention or an innovation. This is what you need to do. You guys need to do. But it is also about having fun. Because I have also been a part of science fair, ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿರುವಾಗ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಕಾಲ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. So ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ sometimes even you guys will experience this where the volcanoes will stop erupting. You might have designed a robot which is a dancing robot but it has stopped dancing. Or you have connected your laptop to the projector but the projector is not responding. What to do? Or you may design a drone but the drone will go and hit one shamiana. All these are a part and parcel of the game. And there is a big life lesson in this as well. Creativity is all about curiosity, and all of you kids are curious. All this curiosity will fuel science. But there's one more thing. Innovation demands persistence. I'll give you one example. For example, Thomas Edison, who found the bulb, right? Now, pessimistic people will say that Savira Sarthi he tried, he failed, then he made the light bulb. But you can also see it in another way. He now knows 999 ways how not to make a light bulb. So this is what you need to do. This is what even Guru Sir said. You have to save all your data, accumulate all your data. It will help you somewhere. Now, if everything worked perfectly in the first chance, anta neevu endukolli. Religious people will call it miracle. Some people will say adu fluke maraya. But if you have a rational explanation, something again which what Guru Sir said, then it becomes scientific. And that is what this fair is all about. All I'm going to say is don't be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes is a proof that you are trying. Don't be afraid that people laughed, because it is good to make people laugh. And some of the most ridiculous ideas have become great achievements. And also don't prevent yourself from thinking big. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Because even a skyscraper was a small drawing in one tissue paper. I don't know whether you knew that, but it is a fact. I think we have Tata Memorial people coming. Is that tomorrow? Is it? Tomorrow. So I recollect one of our conversations when I was working with Wheels magazine. I had an opportunity to meet Ratan Tata. This was around 15 to 17 years ago. You all are very young, but I think there are a few elder people here. Do you remember the car Tata Indica? Nenpidya? So what was the idea that came up with that car? So Ratan Tata ji thought that I need to make a very spacious car, a car that has got a space capacity of ambassador, but its dimension has to be close to Maruti 800. When he thought of that idea, many people would have thought, tale kettida anta. So you will also experience this, that your idea is foolish. You are not thinking rationally. You are thinking very something which is unrealistic. But to such people, you smile and gracefully tell, that means I am thinking innovative. Don't take such criticism too much to the head. Think always positively is what I am saying. So let us make a promise today. Let us keep asking the question why. Always ask the question why. That is the only way you will learn. So without taking much more time, may your ideas shine brighter than the sun and your experiments should only explode in the test tube. not in the classroom. All the best. Good luck to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your encouraging thoughts and guidance. Now, 𝐼𝐻𝐋𝐢 Charitable Trust will be honoring government school students. Over to Dr. Shisha Bhatt.
Sorry, in between. So I just thought to honor government school students because I've been working with government schools since long time. I went to see some of the models and I really appreciate their effort because of course, all students are the best because government schools have less resources and less mentorship and less support ecosystem. So I thought of supporting. So I told the management that I can support some money. So I think we have two teams from government schools today. So one is I don't know the school. I think Government High School Koila. One school is there. Anybody here? Koila? Yeah, please come. So we'll be giving 1,000 rupees cash prize for them. So anybody can give, please.
The 𝐼𝐻𝐋𝐢 Foundation is giving the money, so I would request sir to give. No, you have to give. I request sir to give the money. It's a very great gesture of providing some funds to the students. Better to remove the shoes. I would say respect the decorum. Thank you, 𝐼𝐻𝐋𝐢 Foundation.
One more school is from Yadgiri. I have seen two students. Yeah, please come. Because Yadgiri requires a lot of support from the entire state. I'm very happy that students have come. It's an aspirational district. And students have come from such a far place to, So it's a great thing that they have come such a long place. Yeah, Nishchita and Vijayalakshmi, please come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kindness. Now we come to the most exciting moment of the program, results of NSEF Regional Fair. May I now request Vice Principal Srimati Sridevi to announce the winners of today's event.
Sorry, I just thought to announce what is the next steps, right, before we get the awards and after getting the award. So basically we have got gold, silver, bronze and honorable mention. And the gold medal winners go to the national fair which is going to be held in Rajkot. So all the gold medal winners are automatically qualified for the national fair. So that's the announcement that I wanted to make. And also I wanted to make this thing that the judges who are not here, they had to go back to work. They are HODs and from different institutions. They were very happy to see your projects and they were very impressed at your projects. So they are going with a very much positive energy after seeing your projects. So big applause to all of you for doing such a wonderful work. Okay, so now on to the results.
Good evening, everyone. Before we move into the exciting part of the results, I would like to call out the names of the guide teachers who have guided the science projects. As I call upon the names, I request the guide teachers to come on stage to collect their certificates. Veena G. I request the President of School Governing Council, Srimati Vasanti K, to hand over the certificates to the guide teachers. Jyoti Kiran Rai. Jyoti Kiran Rai. Chandrika Srinath. Chandrika Srinath. Any representative of the school can come and take the certificates. Muhammad Shakir. Mrs. Nivedita Bhandari. Naima Kausar. Suprita Rai. Suprita Rai. Rashmi H. Acharya. Savan U. Swati H. Thank you, ma'am. I request Anuradha ma'am to give away the certificates of the next section. Selvita Joylyn D'Souza. Ramya Lakshmi A. Ramya Lakshmi A. Mrs. Nivedita. Malati D. Krishna Prasada V. Krishna Prasad V. Harsha Kumar. Harsha Kumar. Krishna Prasad V. Akash Patil. Renuka K. Vinuta. Suprita Rai. Jyoti Kiran Rai. Veena G. Nishmita. All these certificates I request Nishmita madam to collect from the stage. Thank you, madam. Now we will move on to the section. Thank you, madam. Now we will move on to the section of honorable mentions. I request our principal madam to give away the prizes as well as certificates and the medals. The teams are as follows. Engineering 03 Junior, won by Duty J.A. Honorable mention for Smart Agriculture Robot using dual ESP32 with soil moisture monitoring and irrigation control. Next, Bio 06 Vishrut Rai for his project on Nature's Blend Skin Enhancing Moisturizer formulated from flax seeds and green tea and herbal extracts. Next, Bio 01 Junior Adarsha NB Marvel Microbial Magic. Next, Physics 01, it's a team junior category, won by Ajit Prabhu and Anna Batula Ayush for their project TriGuard Smart Solutions for Rail, Rain and Root. Next, Engineering 04, it is a team of Sai Kiran Uddhav and Shreyas for their project Step into Green Energy powering schools with piezoelectric tiles. Next is Computer Science 02 team Vijay Lakshmi and Nischita, AI-enabled helmet detection and biometric-based vehicle security system using machine learning. Next up is Engineering 02 Junior, won by B. Prajwal Rao for his project Agrobot, multi-utility agricultural robot. Next, Tech 02 Junior, won by Jeevit H, multi-axis crane and conveyor system to transport agricultural produce to the warehouse. The section of honorable mentions comes to an end here. Next, thank you, madam. A huge round of applause for all the honorable mention winners. Next comes up the bronze medal winners. I request Vasanti madam and principal madam to give away the certificates and medals for this category. Bronze medals are won by Tech 07 Junior Shravan Kumar for his project Smart Irrigation System using ESP32. Next, Tech 08 Shrestha Nayak V Air Shield is his project. Next, Physics 02. It is a team of Prithwik Banakar and Venkatesh Biradar Patil for their project Fire Extinguisher Drone. Next comes Bio 04. Samhit Joshi Lobo for his project Herbal Shampoo using Katpendeji tree bark. Next, Engineering 05 Junior Sambram NV for his project Automated Areca Collecting and Storing Device. Next, Environment 03 Junior Innovative Solutions to Beekeeping Challenges. The project made by Shrisha P. Next is Tech01 Junior Automatic Protective Sheet System for Aerogenic Drying, Adya IR. Thank you so much, madam. Next, we move on into the silver medal category. I request Shri Ajay Padiwal sir and Vasanti madam to give away the certificates and the medals, and Narayan Iyer sir to give away the silver medals. Silver medals are backed by the following project codes: Environment 04, Sumant, 24/7 river litter catching system with zero energy consumption which keeps the ocean clean. Sumant. He is from Government High School, Gerukate. Next is Engineering 01 Junior, Shramika, user-friendly auto paver laying machine, Anag M. Kolachipu. From Indraprastha Vidyalaya. In the silver medal category is Bio 05 Junior, Dupana Revisited, a scientific study on the airborne microbial reduction potential of Ayurvedic Dupana, Sudiksha S. Bhatt. Next is Bio 02. It's a team of Anagha R. Nayak and Vriddhi Rai for their project Taruna, the boon of nature, duty of future. Next in silver category is Environment 1 Junior, Charvi Prasad KT, a smart carbon dioxide catcher, enhanced greenhouse for sustainable agriculture in rural farming. Here we come to the end of silver medal sections. Next comes the most awaited gold medal sections. I request our chief guest, Shri Gururaj sir and Narayan Iyer sir, to give away the certificates. I request all the dignitaries on the stage to join in. The gold category winners are Environment 02 Junior, Gavin Reshime, Queen Bee Tracker 360 from Indraprastha Vidyalaya, Uppinangady, with their guide teacher being Renuka K. If guide teacher is there, I request them to come on stage. The project name is Queen Bee Tracker 360. Student is Gavin Reshime under the guidance of Renuka K, Indraprastha Vidyalaya, Uppinangady. Next in gold medal section is Tech 03. It is a team of two students, Mohit Raj G and Jatin U, for their project Blue Charge from Government High School, Koila, with their guide teacher being Mohammed Shakir. I request the guide teacher also to accompany on stage. They have won the gold medal for the Blue Charge project. Next is Tech 06 Smart Agromate, a project made by Shastha Nayak V from Shakti Residential School, with the guide teacher being Chandrika Srinath. Thank you. With this, we come to the closure of prize distribution ceremony of INSEF Regional Fair. Next section is for the participatory certificates. I request everybody to join for this small section. Computer Science 01, a team of juniors, Sangeeta and Srishti, Smart Air Quality Monitoring and Alert System for Vehicles. I request them to collect their participatory certificates. Next is Tech 05, a team of 2 students, Pranjal Rai M and Ramdhyan P Rai, for their project Smart Street Light. Next, Tech 04, Breathe Safe, Smart Asthma Assist Device, Nida Mariam and Antara. Next, Bio 03, Fungi Mycelium as a building material for packing, Pranamya P. Next, Energy 01 Junior, Harshal D. Rai, for his project The Power Pot, a thermoelectric generator. Harshal D. Rai. Thank you so much. Over to you, Narayan sir.
So one of the government schools which was missed out, please come over. One government school that we, Vasanthi madam, which Erukatte, government school students who did not get the award from Akansha. They were there just now. Please come over. Erukatte. Yeah.
We really appreciate you, sir, for your kindness. Now I request Srimati Vasanthi K, President of our School Governing Council, to present memento to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Gururaja MP, as a token of our heartfelt thanks and remembrance. I now request Teacher Srimati Veena to propose the vote of thanks.
Jai Shri Ram. Good evening, everyone. Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, it gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sri Ajaya Padiwal, Member of School Governing Council, for presiding over the function and for sharing the inspiring words. We are deeply honored to have Dr. Gururaja MP, Principal, Vivekananda Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Puttur, as our chief guest today. Your words have enlightened the young minds to explore and dream big in the field of science. Our heartfelt gratitude to Sri Narayana Iyer, President, Science Society of India, for empowering us with the opportunity to host the prestigious INSEF Regional Fair at our institution. Thank you, sir. I gratefully acknowledge the gracious presence of the President, Srimati Vasanthi K, Academic Administrator, Srimati Anuradha Shivaram, and the Principal, Mrs. Sindhu VG, whose commitment and vision consistently motivate our entire school community. I extend my sincere thanks to all the judges, participants, and their guide teachers. Our special thanks to Dr. Srisha Bhatt, founder of Akanksha Charitable Trust, for sponsoring the government school participants in this INSEF Regional Fair. We remain ever grateful to the members of School Governing Council, teaching and non-teaching staff, and all our students for their endless support. We are deeply thankful to the press and media members for preserving today's memories. Finally, thank you to all our parents, guests, and well-wishers for your support and encouragement. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, one and all. Refreshment have been arranged for all the INSEF Regional Fair participants and teachers. Kindly collect from the lunch area. Now end up with this ceremony with Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ